Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Sienna maintenance light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer reading is visible on the dashboard. If you see something else, simply press the ODO/trip button until the odometer appears. This sets us up for the next step. Now, turn your ignition completely to the OFF position. With the ignition off, press and hold down the ODO/trip button. While still holding that button, turn your ignition back to the on position. Keep holding the button, you're almost there. This action initiates the reset sequence. As you continue to hold the ODO/trip button, you'll notice a series of dashes appearing on your display. These dashes will gradually disappear one by one. Once all the dashes are gone, the maintenance light will flash a few times and then completely turn off. This indicates a successful reset. You can now release the ODO/trip button. Go ahead and start your Toyota Sienna's engine to confirm that the maintenance light remains off. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your vehicle's maintenance reminder. You're all set until your next service interval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.